Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, we're checking out EasySite.AI, a powerful platform that lets you build full web apps without writing a single line of code. Whether you struggle with backend setup, database connections, or just want a faster way to build, this tool has you covered. You simply describe your idea in plain English, hit generate, and within minutes, you get a fully functional app, complete with a live database, responsive design, and even built-in analytics. And yes, you can turn it into an Android app with one click. Sounds unreal? Let me show you how it works. Sounds unbelievable? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how it works. What is EasySite.AI? EasySite is an AI-based website and app builder that uses a concept called vibe coding, where all you have to do is describe your app idea and the AI builds everything for you. There's no need for backend configuration, no complex API setup, and no UI design required. What really makes it stand out is the built-in database system. You're not locked into using Firebase or any third-party service unless you want to. Here's how it works. First, you log in and type your app idea, just like you're chatting with ChatGPT. If you're not sure how to frame your idea, you can use tools like Grok or GPT to generate prompt inspiration. Once your prompt is ready, paste it into EasySite. Click Generate, and in just 2 to 5 minutes, your app is live. I watched a demo where someone created a full app with input fields, saved user data, and a polished user interface, all automatically generated. And this isn't just a mock-up. The database is fully functional, meaning it stores real-time data instantly. EasySite comes packed with powerful features designed to handle everything for you. The AI-powered backend means you never have to worry about configuring APIs or writing database logic. It all works out of the box. When you're ready to publish, EasySite can also generate an Android APK file for your app with just one click. Just upload your logo, set the app name, and you'll instantly get a download link along with a QR code to share. There's no need for SDKs or complicated setups. It's as easy as it gets. You can manage everything from a single dashboard. SEO tags are automatically generated. Webhooks are supported. You can connect your custom domain, upload media files, accept payments through Stripe, enable Google or Facebook login, and even deploy a chatbot trained on your own custom knowledge base. And if you'd rather host your app elsewhere, you're not limited to EasySite. You can export and publish your website on platforms like Hostinger, WordPress, and more. Why it's worth trying? EasySite is easily one of the most efficient and beginner-friendly no-code tools I've come across. Going from a simple idea to a live web app and even an Android APK can take less than 10 minutes. It's the perfect solution for solo founders, indie developers, or anyone looking to launch a side project without needing to hire a full development team. So if you've ever dreamed of launching your own app, whether it's a journal, a task tracker, a blog, or even a complete marketplace, EasySite.AI makes the process faster and easier than you imagined. I've added the link in the description if you want to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and let me know in the comments what kind of app you'd build using EasySite. Thanks for watching SoftGPT, where we explore the future of AI, one tool at a time. Until next time, stay curious and keep building.